August 23, 2014. Around 500 earthquakes have rocked a rumbling volcano in Iceland, sparking a red alert after indications of an eruption under the country's biggest glacier. Seismic activity is continuing in another volcano 30 kilometers away, adding to fears that an eruption could be sparked at any moment. Also August 29th, Papua New Guinea's Vavua volcano spewed smoke and ash into the air today, with residents in the South Pacific nation evacuated and flights disrupted. Joel 2:30, and I will show wonders in the heavens and in the earth, blood and fire, and pillars of smoke. The sun shall be turned to darkness, and the moon into blood, before the great and terrible day of the Lord.